Health of the Month. And I was going to this store called supertang.com. Soup as in drinking soup, S-O-U-P, supertang.com. And I went to the store and I bought this ginseng kind of they say will give me a lot of energy. And if you guys feel that my voice is very energetic right now because I've been like drinking one small glass of this every night, then my energy is back already. They call it the puchi. So it comes with ginseng in this tall bottle, and then come in this like the ancient China emperor, the way they drink is using this kind of imperial glass. All right, so it comes with this imperial glass. And then what I want to show you is over here. Here we go. This is pretty interesting. It comes with this This is the website at Supertang, SOUPERTANG, supertang.com. And I think this one is running out very soon. They told me the promotional end will be completed by the end of June. All right, so this is the one that is the most popular product. All right, so I think this has helped me a lot. Just like every time I come back, share with you in Cozy all the good stuff I've been taking to preserve my health. And I also highly recommend it that you take a look at supertang.com. All right, SOUPERTang.com.